Welcome back, friends. I'm so glad you came back this week. I have some more things that I'm going to show you that were actually a suggestion from one of you. I'm Nye with Ellie and Mac. Let's have a chat. So, the first thing I'm going to talk to you about is something that was a huge suggestion from one of you. She said, "Hey Nye, have you ever tried magnets for cutting your fabrics?" And I was like, tell me more, Nancy. Because right away, it was a big deal for me. Okay, first, the thing she told me to purchase from the hardware store is fabulous. Okay, I got this giant metal sheet underneath. Yes, I know, surprise, right? I have this steel sheet now, oh goodness, underneath my cutting board. And it was actually pretty cheap. I got this from Lowe's online. It's by Steelworks. It's 24 inches by 36 inches, and it was only $21. Yes, only $21. And it's the perfect size for my cutting mat. If I'm being real, I wish I had a bigger cutting mat. I would love a size that I could actually cut a whole pant leg in. And I'm not a short, low girl, so I need to get the whole leg on there one day. And I will. And you know why? Because I'm drinking milk, and one day I'm going to grow up and have a big girl cutting mat. Perfect steel. It's very smooth. I would recommend using tape to cover these edges because they're kind of sharp. I got this, which was super affordable, but then I also got some magnets. When I cover it with my cutting mat, and I have a nice piece of fabric, this is some fancy French terry from Millie Mae. Thank you, Amanda Zahn and Millie Mae, for always supporting my little habit here. Don't tell on me. I put my pattern weights on top of this. The pattern weights, which are not really pattern weights, are magnetic. So they hold my fabric onto the cutting surface and my pattern if I need it to.
Do not put these magnets near your machines. These magnets are extremely strong, and moms do not want to be responsible.
You hurt your babies. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, let me show you these magnets. These are the magnets that I got. Oh goodness, you see that? They're like donuts. I think I might actually paint them to look like donuts because I freaking love them. So these are the magnets that I got from Lowe's. First things first, these things are so very strong, and they should be for the price, because let me tell you, these are a premium price of $5.28 each, which I will not lie, hurt my entire being to pay for them. They cost twice as much as the sheet metal underneath. The sheet metal was $21.48. All right, now it is going to be underneath. They want to get stuck to that mat so badly. Anyways, these are $5.28. They are slightly over 2 inches in diameter. They are very, very magnetic, and they are going to be very durable. These have edges that are not super smooth, so I would recommend cleaning them off and coating them with something that would smooth the edges. I haven't decided how I'm going to do it. I may actually cover mine in fabric or some sort of tape wrapped around it. What is that, washi tape or something like that, just to protect my fingers when I use them. These magnets get a 4 out of 5, mostly because I can't give them a 5 because they were very expensive, $5.28 a piece. I feel like they could have finished off the edges a little bit better, polished them up a little bit. I mean, it's $5. I could have a whole meal at Kentucky Fried Chicken for $5. Next, I'm going to talk to you about something that you've seen in every single one of my videos, and that's my magnetic strip. I love that knife storage magnetic bar. Y'all, I use it to hold my scissors all different kinds of scissors. Sometimes if you have a sewing needle, like an errant sewing needle, you just used it really quickly and you don't really want to put it away right now, you can hang it from there. I have sewing needles hanging from there and they still have thread on them. Because I'm like, look, if I need a sewing needle, I just look back. It's right there on the wall. Like, it's not going anywhere. Now, if I need to do some push-ups, y'all. I can't even get these. Oh, goodness. 10 minutes later. There. See? It sticks up there pretty easy. Now, that magnetic knife storage bar is only $9.98. You can actually get 2 of them on Amazon for $15. So if you want one for your kitchen and you want one for your sewing room,
Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to you.
the next thing we're going to talk about is, it's actually the last item that I have to talk to you about. This item has been with me for many years. I actually had a friend of mine who owned a shop give it to me as a gift. But when she gave it to me and I started using it, I was like, oh, hey, yes, this is fabulous. I need this in my life, okay? This is my everything. It has been with me through my entire sewing journey. It was with me when I sewed my daughter some pants and the groin was backwards, because I put 2 fronts on one side and 2 backs on the other side.
Bless my child for having to deal with my mess.
Craftsman Autumn. This is the Craftsman. The Craftsman. Stop. Craftsman. Why do I have to keep reading it? I need to get it together. This is the Craftsman Automotive Round Magnetic Dog Bowl. Don't ask me why they call it a dog bowl. I have no idea. Do mechanics keep dogs in their automotive shops? I don't know. Does this resemble a dog bowl that you're familiar with? I don't know. I have cats, okay? Let me explain to you why I love this so much. First, it has a rubber ring or a rubber surface on the bottom. This surface keeps it from slipping and sliding all over the place. I'm not very likely to knock this off of my table. Secondly, it has an extremely strong magnetic pull. And when I drop my pins, which used to happen a lot, sometimes I'm sewing and I don't immediately put my pins where they belong. I just put them on the table, and then when I go switch my fabric around, they go flying across the floor. That's real life. I'm being honest. You can judge me. But not too harshly, because as we get to know each other, because we're friends, I'm probably going to give y'all a whole lot more ammo to judge me with later. So, yes, my pins go flying all over the place. And then I do magic. And I pick up all of my pins. The last thing that I love about this bowl, it's not very likely to tip. So this, you like that? That was talent. This magnetic dog bowl is going to get a 5 out of 5 from me. It has been with me forever and I love this. I need this in my life, always, for crafting. That's all I have for today. The Hillman sheet metal plate, $21.48 at Lowe's for a 24 by 36 sheet. We did these magnetic rings, $5.28 each. These are gonna hold your grandma to a wall if she had a steel backpack. Okay, don't try that. I'm sorry, Nana. Magnetic dog bowl, this gets a 5 out of 5, and it's $9.98. And we have the magnetic knife storage strip, which I purchased on Amazon for $9.99. Thank you for coming and hanging out with me today. I love making these videos for you. They are so much fun, and even more fun is when I get to read your comments below. Make sure that you remember to subscribe, click the notification bell, and comment below for a chance to win a $25 gift certificate for Ellie and Mac Patterns. And you know this girl likes free thrifty. Now you know what I'm about to say to you. I hope you have a glorious Tuesday. I will see you next week.